My neighbor has been making my life difficult over my perfectly well-behaved dog. She claims my pup barks all day while I'm at work, but that's impossible since he stays in a crate inside my house. I've tried reasoning with her, showing proof that my dog is crated, and even invited her to check the situation herself. Still, she keeps filing noise complaints with our homeowners association. The interesting part? I installed a security camera to prove my dog isn't the one causing problems. Turns out, it's actually her dog that's been barking nonstop. Every time her dog starts barking, she immediately blames mine. When I showed her the footage, she turned bright red and stormed off. Now she's telling everyone in the neighborhood that I'm harassing her by recording her property. The homeowners association has reviewed my evidence and dismissed all her complaints. Some neighbors have started avoiding her after learning about her false accusations. She still glares at me whenever we cross paths, but at least the complaints have stopped. My dog remains the goodest boy, quietly napping in his crate as always.